Good morning everyone. This is Samsung Galaxy M51 and today in this video we're going to replace the charging port. So first of all you need to have a hair dryer, blow the hot air to soften the adhesive, and then we're going to remove the back cover. Once the back cover is removed, we're going to take out the SIM tray, take all the screws out from the mid frame, then separate the mid frame, disconnect the battery, and then we'll remove the charging port. By the way, for Samsung Galaxy A series and M series, most of them charging port comes with the actual board itself, okay? Means the secondary board you can remove it, so you don't need to solder it and you can replace it without any soldering skill. So let's perform this replacement.